Polynomials and factorization, exercise 2.5 part 6, 13th problem. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Second bit, show that a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube equal to 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Second one is also an application of the first bit. So this problem is based on the identity x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay. So in this identity, on the left hand side, if x plus y plus z is 0 as given in the a bit, what will happen? The entire LHS becomes, left hand side becomes 0. So 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So 0 into anything is 0. So this LHS becomes 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So a bit is done. B bit. Now in the same identity, a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. It is given. So if you assume that a minus b is x, b minus c is y and c minus a is z, this is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So let us check what x plus y plus z value is. So what is x plus y plus z here? A minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. As this sum is equal to 0, if x plus y plus z is 0, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz as we have seen in bit a. So what is x cube plus y cube plus z cube here? A minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube is equal to 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So this is an application of a bit. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. A, minus 10 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube. So again this is also an application of 13th problem and the same identity. So let us find x plus y plus z sum. Okay, x plus y plus z sum we have to find out. What is x plus y plus z sum here? Minus 10 plus 7 plus 3. This is equal to 0. So if x plus y plus z equal to 0, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So let's substitute minus 10 in the place of x, 7 in the place of y and 3 in the place of z. So the sum is 3 into minus 10 into 7 into 3, which is minus 630. B bit, 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube. So again let us find the sum. 28 minus 15 minus 13 is equal to 0. So what is the sum of 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube? 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13, which is equal to 16,380. C bit, 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube. So again let us find the sum here. X is this, y is this and z is this. What is the sum? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. So if you take the LCM, 3 plus 2 minus 5 by 6, which is equal to 0 by 6. So this is equal to 0. If the sum is 0, if x plus y plus z is 0, what is the value of 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube? It is equal to 3 into this 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 to minus 5 by 6, which is equal to minus 5 by 12 after simplification. D bit, 0.2 whole cube minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube. Again, if this is x, y and z, let us find the sum. 0.2 minus 0.3 plus 0.1, which is equal to 0. So 0.2 whole cube minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube is equal to 3 into 0.2 into minus 0.3 into 0.1, which is equal to minus 0.018. So Both 13th and 14th problems are applications of the same identity. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos on polynomials and factorization.